Hello all, myself Dr. Ashwini from Wellness and Metabolic Disorder Unit, IIM Healthcare Center. So, today I'm going to talk on Ayurveda, what Ayurveda is and what general public think what Ayurveda is. So generally we hear Ayurveda as an alternative system of medicine only which is helpful only for a chronic disorders, but that is not the case. Ayurveda is something much more beyond that. So the definition of Ayurveda says Ayusho Vedaha, that means which deals or which gives us importance how one should lead their way of life. So that is what Ayurveda is, and also it explains by saying a quotation or a shloka saying swastasya swastharakshanam aturasya vikara prashamanam, that means which helps for maintenance or a positive promotion of one's positive health, and also for curing the disease in a disease state. This is what Ayurveda says. And also once we say about a swasthasya swastharakshanam, there are different modalities like a dinacharya, ritucharya, ratricharya, what one should follow to maintain or promote their positive health.